if we are getting benefits from AI, but there are some dangers of AI. Ahead in this video, I will discuss a very important danger we can suffer. So please stay with me in this video. Watch this video till end. As we are getting so many benefits of AI, artificial intelligence, we are getting benefits of reading the articles and of generating videos, and even AI robot are teaching. And in this way, so many jobs are disappearing, such as the job of doctors is in danger, the job of teachers is in danger, and there are so many other jobs, those are in danger due to AI. There are list of benefits we can enjoy from AI. But what are the dangers? The important dangers are that we can lose access to real things. People can cheat us. As I am speaking in front of you, I am physically sitting here and my original voice is going to you. But the same, better than this, same my face, same my audio, and the AI will generate the video better than me without any kind of mistake. And the other people, the fraudulent kind of people, can take advantage of this. They can make false information through my mouth. The actor's job is in danger. You can give the prompt to AI that with this face, with this audio, please make a movie of 10 minutes, make a movie of 20 minutes or 1 hour. Then there is danger of artist job. Newscaster job is in danger. That AI robot will read the news, and the people, right now the people physically reading the news, but their job will disappear. In this way, there are so many other jobs, those are in danger due to AI. If you give the AI prompt or your blood samples reports, your test reports, then AI will prescribe you in better way, that is 99.9% correct, as the doctor will prescribe you. So we are getting so many benefits, and very important danger is that suddenly you will receive a video call or video piece that your father is standing on a shop, and your father is saying to you, daughter, I'm here and I need urgent money, please send me. And he will give you the number of that shopkeeper, and you, without thinking, you will transfer the amount to that account. And when your father will come to home, you will say that why you urgently asked for money. Then your father will be astonished. When I asked for money, then you will say that you made me the video call, and where you are saying, you are yourself standing and saying that send me the amount, and you gave the account number of shopkeeper. Then your father will refuse that I was not there, and this will be due to AI. And with the help of AI, a woman got benefit. A woman gave the prompt to AI that there is a pain in my stomach, my belly, and then AI inquired that where in exact place and which kind of pain you are suffering from. When he gave the total information, then suddenly AI in capital letters gave the reply that you need urgent treatment. Don't waste your seconds and call the ambulance and reach to the doctor nearby you. Then the woman did as AI told, and there the doctor operated her, and she bore a child. And doctor said that if you are late half an hour, then your life was in risk. You may died. So with the help of AI, she got proper and urgent treatment. If there are some benefits, but we cannot ignore its dangers, because you know that due with the help of AI robot, people are doing their household work, and AI robot giving lecture to students, and they can inquire any kind of question, and they can speak all languages of the world. So teacher job is also in danger. There are so many other things related to AI, benefits, and mostly the dangers are also linked with it. So if there is any opinion in your mind, give your feedback below in the comment box right now. Allow me, and before going, do subscribe to this channel, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.